So we're going to go over how to tie a Prusik. To be clear, this is for the application on float lines only. We're not showing you how to tie this to go rock climbing or use it for any other reason. They are commercially available at REI, other climbing stores. What we found is the materials they use are very specific to kind of the climbing rope style stuff. So what we use is a 12-strand Dyneema 3/16. It seems to grip a variety of float lines really, really well. So at this point, when you have your loose ends, it's nice to put a little tape on them so that the frays are kind of kept in check when you're trying to braid the knot. At this time, you want to add any hardware. You can also add a little bit of shrink tubing if you want it kind of cleaned up a little bit. So all you have to do is basically tie 2 barrel knots or double fisherman. You can even do a triple fisherman if you want. So basically you just cross the lines over, make sure you have enough. You just go back over itself 1, 2, and we'll just do a double fisherman and back through itself. Tighten this knot up and kind of tighten it up so you get a shorter tail end. You get the other end, you go just back on itself, 1, 2, and then back through the knot again. Tighten it up so you have a little shorter tail end, and then back on itself. Make sure you can see how the knot slipped a little bit. Make sure you put a lot of tension on this, tighten it before you use it. And that's the basics of how to tie a Prusik.